So I've been testing out these earbuds from a company called VIAIM.
They're called the OpenNote, and while they look like a typical open ear set, they're actually built for something totally different. These aren't just for listening to music, they're for recording your life, meetings, calls, live conversations, and turning all of that into transcriptions, translations, summaries, and to-do lists. It's kind of like if your earbuds had a personal assistant built in. The big feature here is called FlashRecord. Just long press either earbud and it instantly starts recording. No unlocking your phone, no opening an app. It works for in-person conversations, phone calls, even Zoom or FaceTime. And it won't stop recording if you get another call or a system notification, which is rare. You just press and go, and it captures everything around you within 7 meters, even identifying different voices in group conversations. And while it's recording, you can get real-time transcription in the app, supporting 78 languages, speaker labels, smart formatting, and the ability to mark important parts while you're recording. It's actually super simple for meetings or interviews, and the accuracy is pretty impressive. Afterward, the app can instantly summarize the conversation and generate a to-do list based on what was said. No digging through notes or re-listening to the whole thing, and I tested this while playing one of my recent YouTube videos, and it gave me a full recap in under a minute. If you do a lot of collaborative work or just want to stay organized, this is a huge time saver. Design-wise, they're open ear with a soft ear hook that doesn't mess with glasses or feel too heavy. They sit comfortably outside your ear canal, which makes them great for all-day use, especially if you work in shared spaces or want to stay aware of your surroundings. You can hear everything around you, but still hear your audio very clearly. Battery life is solid too. You get 19 hours on a single charge and 53 with the case. And a 10-minute quick charge gives you about 3 hours of listening time, which is pretty crazy, but I barely had to think about charging them during my usage. They also sound better than I expected as well. They use racetrack style speaker units and support high-res audio and LHDC. You get 18 preset sound profiles and an 8-band EQ, so you can really dial in the sound you want, even a low latency game mode if you're into that. And again, they feel so great because they're not in your ears the whole time, so it's a very comfortable listening experience. These earbuds also have a nifty voice control 2.0 feature that lets you play music, play your previous song, turn volume up and down, start recording, and answer the phone just by uttering these commands. No toggle required, which is really convenient when your hands are full. So again, if you're someone who takes a lot of phone calls or is in a lot of meetings and wants an easier way to stay organized, the VIAIM OpenNote might just be the smartest earbuds you haven't heard of and need to try. They fit into my workflow surprisingly well, and I think a lot of people will get real use out of them.
Anyway, huge shout out to VIAIM for sponsoring this video and supporting the channel, and of course I'll leave a link to them in the video description if you're interested in checking these earbuds out. And that about wraps things up here. I hope this video was helpful. I have a lot of iPhone content coming soon, so please stay tuned for that. I've been taking my time and I have a lot to say and share. Anyway, as always, I'm Noah and I will catch you all in the next one.